I'm a slave to the volcano. I lost all my teeth because of gas. The slope is too hard. I can't take it anymore. My eyes sting me with all this acid smoke. This man has sulfur in his lungs, and I don't know how much time he has left to live. I love this volcano. I respect it, because my life and my family depend on it. My father did everything for me to succeed in my studies. He will not stop working until I succeed in life. The Pacific Ring of Fire. 9 in 10 of the world's volcanoes are concentrated along this arc. In Indonesia, on the island of Java, stands Kawa Ijen, one of the most dangerous and unpredictable volcanoes in the world. Yet every day, hundreds of miners venture below ground to extract a valuable mineral: sulfur. All day long, loaded like donkeys, they cross paths along this dangerous route, with on one side a precipice, on the other, toxic vapors. They are known as the convict workers of sulfur. At the foot of Kawa Ijen, miners and their families use the particularly fertile land to grow rice and coffee. The volcano feeds them, but they fear it. According to legend, the crater and its smoke marks the doors to hell.